What's up guys, TK here with S1 Bill. Blessed Tuesday to all. We're back on the Kswap ATCY. See, we're getting a lot of black up in there.
That's weird.
Taping up there. What's weird?
No.
Getting a lot of black up in there.
And you know what you said at the beginning? I didn't want to stop you, but you're like, "What's up, guys? TK S1 Bill." Like you didn't say that. Built. Like
S1 built with a T. S1 built. Start at the bottom right there. You see a lot of stuff is all black right now. Looking decent.
In advance.
Now we're just taping up the top part right there because the whole entire bed is going to go black also. Because it's Florida and the owner actually, he fishes, he does all that stuff. He wants to put stuff back there. And yeah, that's what we're getting into with the ATCY, and also for the Mini-Cooper guys, keeping you updated on this. Mike's actually doing some final stages, just wiring, making sure he's buttoning up some biz, wiring some relays.
Yeah, so just right now just finishing up the last of the little wiring for the relay on the fan that's going to be controlled by K-Pro to turn on and off whenever the engine gets up to temperature. So just finishing up that stuff, and then we're going to go ahead and put the headlights and everything back in, and then next we'll be getting it on the dyno.
Yep, and that's it guys. This car has really been through it, because Mike's a perfectionist and gotta get everything perfect. Customers gonna be driving, as we told you in the last video, just want to get everything perfect, so then leaves here, no hiccups, no nothing like that at all. We don't want any, we're not saying we don't want any comebacks, but we want it to run perfect, cross all the T's, dot all the I's. So
yeah, and the only thing that didn't help is like it was a cluster of different issues with this one. It's we had issues from the beginning with the the K-Pro that that the customer supplied from the purchase of the engine and everything. That K-Pro wouldn't function, so we ended up having to get another K-Pro, and then after that getting the car running,
and
then
one of the ECUs.
that was after that. So we got the car running and everything. It wouldn't go into third gear, so then the transmission had to come out. Then from there, all the small functions with the interior stuff, and after diagnosing that, figuring out that the footwell module was corroded, and it ended up shorting the module, so we went ahead and replaced that as well. Reprogram that. Now everything works. As you can see, the windows are down, windows work, headlights work,
headlights
work. Everything works just like it was factory, except now it's more reliable.
Yep, so everything's working now, thank God. And Maria, you're gonna be one happy camper, no regrets. Any car that comes here, we treat it like our own and make sure the customer is completely satisfied. Usually when a car comes here for all-wheel drive kits, we install the all-wheel drive kit and the customer usually finishes up the swap or something. It's rare sometimes that we do a complete full custom job. Like the Mini-Cooper here, it's like a full-on custom job, like full-on, with some help from RPT Creations, of course, for the kit, mount kit. Shout out to Ricardo. Homeboy's killing the streets, boy. But yeah, finalizing, and after he's done right here, we're gonna show you guys, the windows going down, go through all the functionality, show you guys everything working, so that it's on record that have a working Kswap Mini.
Yep.
Yep.
And then even AC. So
everything, yeah.
AC, power steering, basically all the amenities, but now powered by Honda. And all the back end stuff as far as the interior and all that will still work and function as well.
Yep. So Kswap in a BMW basically. So stay tuned guys, we will show you after he's done with this, more than likely sometime this week, right Mike? Completely everything done here, and then we'll just show them the windows, show them everything working.
Yeah, so everything
drive around a little bit with it.
I know that it is a little bit loud with the exhaust setup, so we did talk to her, and we're going to go ahead and add in a vibrant muffler and resonator to quiet it down a little bit, and then I want to have that done and on there before we get it on the dyno, just so it doesn't change anything with the pressure difference in the exhaust. So we're going to get that done and then put it on the dyno.
Cool.
So just taping up the bed. So we started the underneath, and we're going to do the top. And we're actually rolling this on, so we don't have to tape the whole entire car up because we're not spraying stuff into the air.
It's like a roll, right?
Yeah, it's like it makes it a lot more gritty and thicker. Like you feel like, you know, texture.
Yeah.
So that's how we're gonna do it, because you know, he wants to use this bed and not worry about it being dirty, obviously.
But he's gonna have a big Kswap sticking out the back, but he just gonna talk.
We're gonna, yeah, I think eventually one day we're gonna do something about that too. Yeah, so that like if he parks it outside at a show or something and it rains, you could just throw a little, you know, little hatch on top of it.
Cover it.
Yeah.
As you know, guys, the customer, you know, got it back and everything, and I told you he got a little bit happy with it, and it's a little bit damaged, so that's all fixed now. That was in the last video. It's all fixed up and all blacked out down there. So second time around, plus we wanted to take everything out again anyways, and just, you know,
we were gonna do this anyway. He just sped up the process.
Yeah, he sped up the process real quick, quickly. So stay tuned, guys. Like, subscribe. We thank you guys for all the love. End of the year is coming up. It's been a good year for us. One love.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton times. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton times.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton times.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord that's S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught